Oh, hello guys. Welcome from Coronado Springs. I had to look on the name because I'm so rubbish with remembering the names, but we came back from Disney Springs and luckily they already check us in, so it's all good. The luggage has been transferred by the bell services from the pub centre here, so that's another thing we don't have to worry about. But now we're just heading for the drink and like sit down for a few minutes, relax before heading to our room. So I will make sure I do a proper room tour from this place because it's supposed to be really nice. But obviously I will update you as soon as I get there. So I speak to you later. Bye! So, this is a bit exciting. We're just heading to the room. So we're gonna see the room for the very first time. However, the first impression of the hotel, ooh la la, looks quite nice. So hopefully, before we mess up the room, hopefully I will be able to quickly show you the room. Look at the pool. So, this is our new pot for the next 4 days. Where's the lamp? The big lamp. Oh. So it's already that room looks absolutely incredible. So I got 2 massive beds. Absolutely gigantic, loves it. Got the nice cavaliers on the wall. So I believe there is a safe box there. Tea and coffee station with everyone's favorite Jeffrey's coffee. Amazing. Got a little desk and a funky looking lamp. Big TV, full body mirror, hello. Right, the bathroom. Oh well, this is a little bit nicer than Pop Century. Okay, so let's start here. Just a normal standard shower, with some Disney toiletries, toilet, towels, massive mirror. 2 sinks. Oh, we got some Disney toiletries. Is that a shower cap, mouthwash, body lotion, kit, facial soap. Oh, this is really nice. Just a wardrobe. Plenty of hangers. Ooh la la! That looks really nice. Definitely a little bit better than Pop Century. So, yeah. It's gonna be nice few days stay, I have to say. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Let me just relax and take the surroundings. Bye! So, let me see what's here. Okay, so that's the little fridge. It's cool. This is funky looking lamp. I do like this lamp. Oh, I know there was another switch here. Oh, yay! I've seen on other videos people putting this on. Some drawers. That's plenty of storage. Let me check the storage in the bathroom once again. So we've got plenty of tray hair, dryer. There's another plenty. Yeah, the bin. Yeah, that's quite a lot of storage. Yeah. That looks really nice, and the lighting here, I do like this light. Yeah, definitely nice. Oh, and the doors, so everyone was keep banging on about the doors. So these are the sliding doors. Perfect. And ta-da! Into the ground bathroom. Really nice. It's just got this really nice feeling. Oh, and I'll show you quickly the view. Because we do have a pool view. It's so hot today, so I probably can't wait to get into that pool now. This is nice. Chair. Some lovely art, Disney art. Yep. Okay. So that was the room tour. Now it's time to relax. I speak to you later. And if I remember correctly, so this is just the drawer. The safe is in here. Oh, and this is the funky safe. This is not normal safe. It's quite big. This end, it would definitely fit the laptop here. No? That's really good. Really good. Have a look at the artwork. Fantastic. And the lamps above the bed. Bed looks really comfy. Cool. Oh, hello again. As you can see, the sky turned really grey now, so I think there's a massive storm heading this way. But we are going to head up to the main pool area to refill our resort max and probably grab something to eat. So I thought I'd just show you surrounding while we go there. But you have to agree, this hotel, this place looks absolutely incredible. I'm so happy that we swapped the hotel through our stay. I'm loving this place. It's really incredible. show you surrounding in the pool because it's really nice. I should just very quickly say, for anyone who consider coming and staying in this hotel, Coronado Springs, it's absolutely fantastic. It's so peace and quiet. It's so different than Pop Century, the one we stayed a few days ago. This feels more like an adults only, even though it's not just adults only, because they do have a designated pool for the kiddies and stuff. It's just like completely different world. And it's just so quiet, so relaxing. So this is the perfect place when you're looking forward after a hectic time in a park. Just take a breath, relax, and refuel your energy. Okay, I'm gonna now have a nice swim and then take a rest for the next few hours before heading to Epcot to say our final goodbye to that park. I'll talk to you later.